Welcome to my YouTube channel at saka sa Facebook channel ko. Nandito nga pala kami sa metro station sa what is this place?
Mansura.
Mansura. We are here in Mansura. Ang video natin for today, pupunta tayo sa Doha. We're going to Doha Festivals. Doha Festival City?
Yes, Doha Festival City.
DFC, Doha Festival City. So this is our first time to ride the train in Qatar. And also we are first time to visit Doha Festival City.
First experience.
So it's first experience. So tara, let's go. Pasok tayo sa loob ng train station. We are here with our friend Chris. So let's try. We are going down here. Okay. So this is Mushrib Metro Station. So let's go. Let's ride with us. Let's check what available in Doha Festival City. So nandito pa tayo sa Mansura Metro Station. Pababa na po tayo. So magre-recharge muna tayo. We have to recharge our card. We borrow Metro Station card to our friend Mr. Domingo. Shout out to Mr. Domingo. 1 month you will going for vacation. So babakasyon na po si Domingo. Soon in the Philippines. So ito yung train station. So to train. So left side. So wala pang katao-tao. There is still no much people inside because it's early in the morning. It's 8:30 in the morning. 8:30. So yan, kung if you're planning to navigate from Qatar Metro Station. How much one ride to Metro Station?
Nearest metro station, 2 minutes.
2 minutes, the nearest one. How much?
After that, we have to travel 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
For our,
Usually how much the payment? One ride.
one ride only 2 riyal.
So one ride for 2 reals. So dito sa loob ng Metro Station, meron na rin ditong Filipino restaurant. So magta-top up muna tayo. We're going to top up our card. Chris, how to top up? Turo muna tayo sa tropa natin dito para magpa-top up. O, diba? So top up natin yung card natin. How? Withdraw where? By okay, by machine. Should I to top up with the withdraw? Cash? I have. No. Withdraw, yes, I need. Withdraw muna tayo. Where's the top up? But here or there? I thought here. Okay, it's wrong.
It's wrong. It's post.
Post. Mag-withdraw muna tayo pala. So, may to take. Oh.
Card checking? No. Withdraw. Filipino restaurant?
Yeah, there is Filipino restaurant also. Tapos na po tayo mag-withdraw ng ating cash. So dito sa loob ng station, meron din siya ditong exchange, Al-Zaman Exchange. So kung gusto niyo magpapalit ng cash, then dito po yung so ito naman yung sa loob, ito na yung travel cards. This is the travel cards. So if you want to top up, so ito yung top up machine. Tara, top up tayo. Yeah, not you. It's for me, myself. Card, where is the top of the card? You pay by cash like this?
Yes, sir.
No, I have here.
10 riyal. Put 10 riyal.
Here, I have it. Here.
Put this 10 riyal.
Here. Why no 10 riyal? How about you?
I already put.
I'll pay later.
One by one.
1 by 1? First, guide here?
Yeah.
How?
Anywhere. Put. There is money. No need to put if you need.
No, like this? What?
Remove. Like this, it will show how much.
10
Let's
riyal.
say 8 riyal. No need to put.
No need to put? Okay. No, I will put also because he will use it.
Try.
You?
No. Remove this one. Now,
So yan,
top
top
ka na.
up.
Start from
So yan, top up tayo sa 10 real.
put money.
Where money where? Here. One by one?
One.
Very fast.
Now pay.
Kasi ito yon charge. So yan, tapos na. QR? Receipt?
No, yes.
No, no problem. No receipt.
Take
Then?
the card. Take the card.
With the card?
Yeah. If you want
That's
to
it?
check balance, again put.
So how to check the balance?
80.
18, okay. Let's check the balance. So 18. Ayan pa yung balance. After ng... Okay, let's go. How to top up? Dito sa ano, so ilagay nyo lang dito yung card. So ayan, ang balance natin ay 18. So kung magta-top up kayo, top up travel card. Then ilalagay nyo lang tong card. Then lalagay nyo yung amount, tapos lagay nyo yung cash dito. Then lalabas na yung amount. After that, alas, let's go. Ito na yung train station. Tababa tayo, pasok tayo dyan sa loob.
That is the one that.
Tara na, pasok na tayo sa loob. Let's go inside. You first. So ayan, top up lang natin ang ganito. Pagbubukas na siya. Straight or...
Go down. You like it? We
So
can go
straight
from
tayo,
here.
then go down. Straight and go down. So nandito na tayo sa train station. Ito, Chris. Baba na po tayo. We're going down to the train station. So ito po yung guide from Mansura. So para Mushirib. So Albida Park, White Balance, this one, Educational City. Then yung last ay Mall of Qatar. So ayan po. Ayan po. Sasakay na po tayo. Here in the metro station, what I've noticed is there's are those lines for family, and there is also for the bachelors. So also there is a screen here. See how many minutes the train will come. So nandito na tayo sa, we are here now in the waiting area with Chris. And we're excited to ride on my first ride in metro Qatar. This is what I'm talking about, the standard. That's standard for all passengers in the family, in the front over there, the family. This train we will ride to Mansura to which place? Musharrif. Mansura to Musharrif. After Musharrif,
We have to travel until Lusail.
we will travel up to Lusail. Musharrif to Lusail. Mansura to Musharrif, Musharrif to Lusail. Yes.
Then we will come from.
Yeah, we'll come back. We will already ride here in train station with Chris.
Hello, my friends.
Hello. This is our first ride.
This train is for Musharraf. The next station is Musharraf.
It's too dark ka. See? Say hi. But all dark. All dark. All tunnel dark.
We are going to
Lusail.
Lusail. It's going from.
Iba.
You can see outside view.
Where? Up? This one? Lucille?
Sorry, yeah.
No, it's okay. Ah, from other side? Ano, kita tayo sa taas. We're going upstairs. So doon na tayo sa going to Lucille. So this is the center of metro station, which is you can go anywhere. You can go anywhere, any place you want. Yala, where? We'll go down. So we're going down. Way out, then after that
We have to pass Qatar, everything.
so we started from Mushrib to next Corniche,
Alvida.
Albida,
Corniche.
after Corniche,
DECC.
Katara. So we started from Mushrib, Albida, West Bay, Kazar, Katara, Qatar University, and then
القطار متجه إلى لوسي.
Their buildings, the one you visit there, so. Very good, sir.
what's the location? What's the name of this place? Qatar University.
It's Qatar University.
What is that one? Like this.
I forget the name.
This is new.
No, it's not good. It's very famous place in Qatar.
Station is Qatar.
Once again, to Lucille, just as one of those assistants that are always
Lusail Boulevard. Mababa na po tayo. We're going down to Lusail. Ito, there's lady kami. Come go. Let's go to Hammam.